Howdy, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Haltom Auto Care, and they do $49.99, $50 for oil change here, and they do a really good job.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
And this is my second time here. So if you need your oil changed or you need service or tires, stop by Haltom Auto Care and they'll take care of you. Here's the bay that they use here for changing oil and working on the automobiles or tires. They have to do my van out there because it's too tall. Anyway, getting ready to change my oil and I'll be set for Sturgis. Did I say Sturgis? Yep, Sturgis. I'll be heading out on Friday or Saturday coming up, which, what's today? Today is, can't read anything. Today is the 22nd, and so I'll be leaving out on 23rd, 24th, either the 24th or the 25th. And I'll be up there early. I'll be helping out Chris over there with Riders Bikers Supplies. Did I say that right? Riders Bikers Supplies? Yep. He'll be doing some stuff with helmets up there. I'll be hanging out with the gang over there at Hog Heaven Campgrounds, and should be a good time. Oh, and of course I'll be putting in some riding too with the new Honda Rebel.
Riding for a cure, van is packed, got a mission by my side. Every mile's for someone else, every road's another ride.
Catch you on the road here at Haltom Auto Care in Haltom City, Texas.